There is a devastating affliction that affects millions of men and women across the world, an affliction that causes them huge psychological damage, affecting their self-esteem, their relationships, and their interaction with the world. The affliction is hair loss. The treatment is Resulté. Traditional treatments for hair loss have been varied, unreliable, and often not medically validated. With our Resulté, men and women have a simple, pharmaceutically devised product that promises results, hence the name Resulté. Resulté is different. From the name to the packaging, which places it in the high design world of cosmetic products as opposed to the traditional cheap and nasty offerings on shelf, to the fact that the man who refined this formula, Professor Aubrey Parsons, is a recognized expert in the pharmaceutical field. This product is strategically and stylishly positioned as the best option. Professor Parsons has carefully refined the formula to deliver the best possible result. The formula is almost entirely natural and highly effective at stimulating the follicles and increasing scalp circulation for several hours after application. Both male pattern baldness and general male and female hair loss associated with poor circulation, stress, and/or chemotherapy stand to benefit from the application of Resulté. By far the biggest benefit of treatment will apply to hair loss associated with poor scalp blood circulation that carries nutrients and oxygen to follicles, resulting in reduced metabolic function of the hair matrix cell. Hair loss. These two simple words can make the toughest man cringe. In fact, hair loss is a common problem for both men and women across South Africa. The good news is that there is an effective, proven solution called Resulté. Developed by leading cosmetic scientist Aubrey Parsons, Resulté has been formulated to start working immediately, stimulating hair growth and helping to prevent hair loss. The unique ingredients, which are rich in antioxidants, stimulate the hair follicles and help promote thicker, stronger hair. The highly respected Professor Parsons was instrumental in, among others, in trials of Resulté, 89% of satisfied users promoted the effectiveness of Resulté. 50% said they experienced no further hair loss. 50% confirmed that Resulté stimulated hair growth. 79% said that their hair had become both stronger and thicker thanks to Resulté. 64% saw noticeable results within the first month of use. And of the 71% that regularly use Resulté, 98% saw results within the trial period. Cosmopolitan Resulté. What is in the Resulté anti-hair loss tonic? Like that perfect cosmopolitan cocktail, with not all cosmopolitans being created equal, so too is the perfect mix of ingredients that makes Resulté the established hair loss tonic. The team at Resulté want you to know how to get results for that falling hair. There's no secret ingredients, rather a cocktail of proven and effective ones that will have you sprouting a fuller head of hair with religious use. By drinking that delicious Cosmo on a Friday afternoon, the benefit is letting go of all your week's stress. Here are the benefits of using Resulté Hair Loss Tonic and how it works. There is a super cool provitamin that helps moisturize and increase the elasticity of your skin, panthenol. They have used an ingredient that prevents the actual hair loss process, stimulates hair growth, and restores any damage to your hair, Trigonella phonem graecum. To reinforce these properties, Resulté has added a cocktail of other potent hair-friendly ingredients helping your scalp grow its best head of hair, Arctia majus, calcium pentothenate, Panax ginseng, zinc gluconate, arginine, and hydrolyzed soy protein. To strengthen the cocktail to ensure that the above process is reinforced, Resulté has added silk amino acids. To improve sensorial qualities, decrease oiliness and condition your hair, but also oxygenate your scalp with microcirculation, Resulté have added another cocktail for a healthier scalp, placental protein, yeast extract, hydrolyzed soy protein. Resulté have added an anti-dandruff cocktail that stimulates hair growth, inositol, acetylmethionine, acetylcysteine, panthenyl ethyl ether, lactose, and lactus proteinum. Added to the above are amino acids and herbs that revitalize hair from the root, and they stunt thin hair falling out. Medicago sativa extract, Humulus lupulus extract, Rosmarinus officinalis, and Melolotus officinalis serine. As the finishing off this touch, like the lemon wheel in your cosmopolitan cocktail, Resulté have included the main ingredient and building block of hair, sulfur. It increases hair growth and lengthens the growth phase of the hair cycle, dimethylsulfone. The Resulté Hair Loss Tonic is not just any average cocktail, it's the cosmopolitan of all hair loss tonics.